Dear students, welcome back. Today I am going to talk about cracking of petroleum. Cracking of petroleum. Cracking is the breakdown of complex molecules into simpler ones, which are more useful. Petroleum is the mixture of hydrocarbons which are obtained during fractional distillation of crude oil. We know that the quantity of petrol obtained during fractional distillation of crude oil is very less, but its demand is very high. Okay. The quantity of petrol obtained during fractional distillation of crude oil is only 5 to 7%, which is too low. Okay, so with this is not sufficient to meet the demand of petrol required in daily life. So, in order to meet the demand of the petrol, what we will do, we will break complex larger hydrocarbons into simpler useful hydrocarbons in the presence of a catalyst, for example, aluminosilicate Al2O3 SiO2 slash. Okay, so this, if you don't know the name of the catalyst, you can simply write catalyst. So you will get mark for this, but it will be preferred that you should name this one catalyst along with its formula, right? We will use catalyst during breaking of the complex hydrocarbons into simpler ones. It will be in the absence of oxygen. Now, this is very important. Why in the absence of oxygen? So, you know the importance of catalyst. You know, catalyst is a substance which speed up a chemical reaction, but itself it is not used up. It lowers the activation energy. It provides alternate short route. Okay. So in the absence of a oxygen, this is required. Otherwise, if there is oxygen, there is air, what will happen? Then combustion will take place. Then breakdown will not take place. So there must be absence of oxygen. This is first condition. It carry 1 mark. Question is what is cracking? Then catalyst also carry 1 mark. At high temperature, this process is carried out of cracking. This carry a third mark. So that's why I will tell you later on to in the lesson. So why these points carry 3 marks? So this process, the whole process of cracking, basically is used to increase the quantity of petrol. Okay, so for example, hexadecane. Hexadecane has 16 carbon. It is alkane. Hope you know that's why the hydrogen atoms in hexadecane, they are double plus 2 of the number of carbon atoms. So when hexadecane is broken down in the presence of a catalyst at high temperature in the absence of oxygen, we will get uh, different fractions. For example, we can get octane. Octane is the very integral part of petrol. This is what was our main objective, to break down complex, less useful hydrocarbons of crude oil. Then we also have, ethene molecules. This ethene is used to make polyethylene basically. Polyethylene is used for making shopping bags. This is uh, another use of cracking. So at the same time, we can also prepare hydrogen by doing cracking of complex hydrocarbons. Now, what is being important here according to CAI? First, what is cracking? That question can be asked. Okay, second one is like say, what are the applications of cracking? I'm going to tell you after this. Before that, uh, when sometimes this equation is given and one of the product is given and second will be missing. So what you need to do, you will subtract the carbons given to you from this carbon number, similarly hydrogen from this hydrogen number, and what is left? That will be uh, the answer of the question asked in the form of blanks. Okay. Similarly, if the question is during cracking we get hydrogen, what will be the other member? When hydrogen will be the one member of cracking, result. then the other member will be alkene always. Keep in mind, okay? So hope you understand. If you have any question, you can discuss with me. You can write in my comment box. Please do subscribe my channel so that I can make beautiful, good videos for you. There are a lot of things to do. For every topic, we will be doing past papers with detailed discussion, inshallah. Go on, please put the, so, notification on for the channel. Inshallah, you will get a lot of information, complete knowledge of chemistry for your O levels, and inshallah, this will help you more than 40% in your AS level and A level even. Okay, so I always tell you, everything which is discussed here is always connected with the past papers. So this is what the experienced persons can deliver to you people. Hope you liked, today's discussion. Thank you very much. See you inshallah in next class. But before going, I can just wait, please. I want to tell you some applications of cracking. Please, you also note this one. Uh, you can see the cracking have some applications which we have already discussed. For example, the demand of petrol can be met by doing this process. Similarly, we can produce hydrogen gas. I told you when hydrogen gas is produced, the other member of cracking will be, alkene. It can be any alkene, ethene, propene, butene. Keep in mind, methane does not exist because it is only one carbon. So the first member which we can obtain is only ethene. The number of fractions can be increased. Hope you understand and liked my today's lesson. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.